Hey guys, I'm Sean Cheek of WebPianoTeacher.com. Today I'm going to teach you how to play Tom Petty's A Woman in Love from the American Treasure live version with all the piano in it. It's going to be a lot of fun. Let's take a listen. All right guys, WebPianoTeacher.com, where we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all you guys out there who are trying to play piano online. You can do it if you pick the right lessons and you know how to practice. That's what I'm here for. All right, guys, it's 2020. It's a new year, and what a great song to start on. I just love Tom Petty's music. It's so simple, yet it's so fun to play, and I never get tired of playing it. So we're going to get to this lesson here. I do have a Kawai MP11 SE in the studio now, and I'm going to be using the pop piano sound, the first in that category, because it has a little bit of an edge to the tone, kind of cuts through if you're playing with other people, and kind of has that live concert sound. That's why I like it so much. So that pop piano sound one, if you're have one of these and you're using it at home, great. So let's get started. All right, as we look at the board, we have, we're in the key of B minor, by the way, if that doesn't mean anything to you. Just means we're going to have some sharps along the way. F sharp definitely, and we'll have some C sharps as well, and occasionally some other sharps. But they're not too bad. I think you'll be able to handle it. So we start with our left hand on a B. We're going to be, here's middle C. We go down to the next C. Here's the next one. All right, we're just going to take that. I know a lot of times we double the octave, but not on this. We want kind of a simple sound. Okay, so we don't want that bass double. Let's just do one B. On the right hand, we'll have D and B with our thumb and our fifth finger. Okay, so we're going to play that to start with. 1, 2. So when you play that, count to 2. 1, 2. Bump, bump. Then we're going to play that D and B again. And then we go to A with our fourth finger, F sharp with the 2 finger, and then E and B with 1 and 5. So it's bum, 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 bum. So count to 2 to start with. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Now when you say and here, when you play that E and B, keep holding it, even though you'll change your pedal, and then you'll catch that C sharp here on your left hand. All right, a sharp, that little tic-tac-toe board just means go to the right to the very next key, whether it's white or black. Most of the time it'll be a black key. There's our C sharp. So let's try that much, okay? And go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. Okay? Then we'll add on a little bit. Let's look at this next measure. And when you're practicing, always remember, take small enough portions that you can handle, okay? So you handle that first measure, get it down. Don't move on to the next measure until you have that first one down pretty well. All right, then we move on. We already played the C sharp. The right hand has an E and an A. The same E you just played right there. Just play it again with your thumb, and then your fourth finger can play the A. All right, so C sharp, E, A. And then the F sharp's just right there. Look at that. It's right there on my second finger. Just play it and go right back to the E and A that I just played. And then I go back to the B. So the E's kind of your home base. It kind of keeps you grounded. So let me try that second measure again. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Let's do it again. And go 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Now we get that down. So what do? Now we attach it to the first measure. We put those two measures together. See if we can do it. And go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. And you might want to play that 3 times at least. Repetitions, I call them. So maybe 3 times on that till you get it down. And then when you're ready, you move on. Let's take a look at the third measure. A little bit more involved here in this measure. The left hand's moving up to the next note, a half step to D now. We went from B to C sharp, now we're on D. Right hand E, F sharp, B. So our thumb is still on that E like it was the previous measure. So we play the D with the left hand. 1, 2, and that little D is going to come in between. Thumb, right, left. Then we play the right hand again with the E and B. A, F sharp. Now the A and F sharp, same F sharp we played over here, A and F sharp. 4, 2 are the fingers. 4, 2. Now right here you have to move. So your thumb's not on E anymore. You got to move there. Watch what I do. This little trick. You have F sharp on your 2 finger. That's the same key that your middle finger needs to go to. So use it as kind of a home base. You play that 2 on the F sharp, and then the 3 goes to the F sharp. Your thumb has to reach out for B, and then A on the 5th finger. So bum, A, F sharp. But instead of playing the F sharp and then going, okay, where do I go next? Use that F sharp to get to the next chord. See that? It's a little bitty thing, but it works wonders for a lot of you if you'll do it. So trying that 3rd measure. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and... Okay, then we continue with that next measure. But what do we do? Let's tie the 3rd measure in now. Let's see if we can add to the chain. And go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. All right, we have a little bit of that next measure there, E and G sharp. So there's our part 1 lesson. Hope you enjoyed that. This is just the tip of the iceberg. We do the whole thing on webpianoteacher.com. In fact, you can go on the website, and for free, you can view all the part 1s that you want. And there's thousands of them. So go over there and have some fun. See you guys soon. Talk to you later.